What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Maserati meets Massimo Bottura. And this brings the Levante Trofeo Fuoriserie edition for Massimo Bottura, an explosion of creativity. Now, tradition is an ingredient that takes us to the future, and this idea unites the path of Maserati to that of Massimo Bottura. And born and raised in Modena, brand ambassador of the House of Trident and protagonist of the Italian cuisine, capable of taking the best of the past and bringing it into the future, the Levante Trofeo Fuoriserie edition for Massimo was presented today, and the result is the collaboration between the two Emilian excellences, able to go beyond the regional borders and imagination. Now, the car is a synthesis of this collaboration and an explosion of creativity, a rare demonstration of freedom of expression and realization of life lived in colors. Now, the Levante, Maserati's first SUV, a car that accepts no boundaries, is the ideal canvas on which to give vent to creativity and energy. And in the Trofeo version, top of the range with 580 horsepower coming out of that V8 engine, it combines performance, fun to drive, and speed. Now, the street blue exterior for the Fuoriserie edition is covered with multicolored splashes, the same ones as characterized in the interior inserts, the central tunnel, and dashboard. A Maserati that's an explosion of creativity from every point of view. Now, for Massimo, the off-road automotive experience, the natural habitat of the Levante, it translates into a work of action painting. This special Levante Trofeo is part of the Maserati Fuoriserie customization program, which in its various forms allow customers to sew a new Maserati on themselves. And the automobile intended as the first dress to be shown on the streets of the world, a self-representation as a symbol of the concept of luxury in the third millennium. Now, Maserati Fuoriserie is a blank sheet, and the brand offers a wide range of drawing tools and colors, and the rest is done by the inspiration of the individual customers, who therefore have the possibility of borrowing the attitude of the trendsetters and expressing their own personal creativity. Now, to help the customer find this way through thousands of possible combinations, 3 basic collections have been created to start from: Corsa, Unica, and Futura. And these are 3 clusters that can express the power of the brand and represent its values by combining sportiness, elegance, and innovation. And the program is full of contents on the Ghibli, Quattroporte, and Levante ranges. In fact, new color paints and liveries can be ordered, colors for the rims and brake calipers, as well as special combinations in the passenger compartment with different color combinations for the stitching and interior layout. Now, the new Super Sports MC20 can also be customized with the possibility of characterizing the exterior with a rich choice of colors and liveries. And the Fuoriserie collections are also progressively enriched, and a program in which includes a further tailoring level for even more tailor-made requests. Now, the Levante Trofeo Fuoriserie edition for Massimo Bottura, presented today at the Motor Valley Fest in 2021 in Modena, is the plastic representation of the concept of creativity that unites the Maserati Fuoriserie and Massimo Bottura's customization program, opening up to experience, being vulnerable to beauty, and eager to discover yourself along the journey of life. So with that said, what do you guys think about the splash of color of the Levante Trofeo Fuoriserie edition? Maserati is really getting wild, and they're showing what you can really do with these new Maserati models, and the customization limits that there are really none. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Maserati Levante Trofeo Fuoriserie edition. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support as always. Make sure you also check out the Ron's Rise merch. We can get tank tops, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, everything Ron's Rise. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. See everything I'm posting for Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.